Jamaican on murder charge in Florida after road rage shooting. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican businessman based in Florida has been charged with second-degree murder following a shooting during an incident of road rage in southern United States. Up to late Thursday, Melvin Foster, 52 years old, was remanded at the Broward County Jail on a $250,000 bond, according to jail records. Foster has claimed self-defense and allegedly told investigators that he fired after seeing the other driver reaching for something in his motor vehicle. The incident happened about 9:45 a.m. Wednesday in the 8400 block of West Commercial Boulevard when Foster and another driver got into an altercation, officials said. Foster allegedly pulled out a firearm and shot it into the vehicle of the other individual, hitting him in the chest. The driver, whose name hasn't been released, was airlifted to the Broward Health Medical Center where he was pronounced dead. Foster of Coral Springs stayed at the scene and was taken into custody before he was booked into jail. According to Broward County Sheriff's Office, Foster was driving a 2015 Toyota Tundra westbound on Commercial Boulevard. The man was shot driving a 2018 Ford Mustang in the same direction. At some point, a fight between the two men occurred and Foster took out a firearm and shot into the other man's car, striking him in the chest, the sheriff said. In May, Foster was elected president of the Jamaican Men of Florida organization group dedicated to mentoring young men. This has been Links 007 TV, and we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with this story. Thanks for watching.